Yeah.
Okay.
Time served.
Pardon?
Time served.
Time served on this matter? You mean? Well, you've got fines and costs. You've already been sentenced on it, but this is for the fines and costs. So maybe what I'm gonna do is, Ms. Perroni, I'm gonna have the PD represent him on this case so that you can, because what he has up there is gonna flip into that anyway.
Yeah, we'll track whatever happens there, and depending on how things proceed, get in touch with the court.
All right, real good. All right, thank you.
Remind me of the next date, I'm sorry.
June 11th.
Okay, thank you.
They can grab him. Court does call the case People versus James. Is it Reidenthal?
Public defender Natalie Page versus Reidenthal, who may be trying to be in Zoom.
Reidenthal?
So you're right. Today's the day and time for a show cause. My office made contact with him and was able to leave voicemail to a number we had for him to get further explanation for his failure to appear. I would request an adjournment of the show cause record.
Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear. Bond is set in the amount of $25,000. I'll give a 10% privilege on that. That warrant will issue immediately. Brian Gerard, 4 cases.
Morning, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perroni on behalf of Mr. Gerard. Mr. Gerard, please, for the record.
Brian Gerard.
We're here for a show cause, I think, total, Mr. Gerard. So these cases are just about the money, Mr. Gerard. I think he owes about $3,000. Do you know if and when they're going to be released from custody?
Not yet.
So
He doesn't know when he's going to be released.
So I'd ask for an adjournment of the show cause hearing.
What does he have pending?
Possession.
I believe they're still at the PCC stage, right? They're still before Your Honor. Dishonor.
They're bound over.
Oh, okay.
When's your next date?
The 12th
Of
June.
June. Okay, give me a July date.
July.
All right. What I'll do is I'll adjourn these to July 9th. See where these are at. 2025, 9 a.m.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. Begin on, why don't we just make it May 30th? All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Make sure to make those payments.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Court does call the case of the People versus Jonathan Gibson.
Good morning, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perroni on behalf of Mr. Gibson, who I believe is on Zoom, Your Honor.
Don't have to check.
Gibson?
Your Honor, I did speak to him. I'm not sure why he's not here. He was actually here in court yesterday
Yes, he was.
for another case. He did pay a make a $10 payment. I believe the end of April. He did say he was planning on making another $10.20 payment this week. He recently got back to work in his training to be a manager at Papa John's. So he thinks he's going to have some more income coming in.
How much does he owe? You don't know why he's not here.
No, I did speak to him and provided him with the Zoom information. He's usually pretty attentive. Your Honor, for the record, I'd ask for an adjournment.
Gibson? No response, bench warrant, 15,000. Give a 10% privilege on that. That warrant will issue immediately. Court does call the case People versus Stephen Bernal.
Good morning, Your Honor. Edward Drukas on behalf of Stephen Burnell. Mr. Burnell, could you unmute and state your name?
Stephen Bernal. Go ahead.
Thank you, Your Honor. We have reviewed the recommendation and the pre-sentence report. No additions or corrections to the actual report. We're asking that the court follow the recommendation.
Mr. Bernal, anything you want to say before the court imposes sentence?
No, sir.
$125 statutory fee, 93 days in jail, credit 93 served. You're all set.
Thank you, Your
All
Honor.
right, thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Court calls case People versus Willie Henley.
Good morning, Assistant Public Defender Lauren here on behalf of Mr. Henley. Your Honor, I'm not.
Hello, what's your name?
Willie Henley.
Okay, there he is.
Oh, great. Your Honor, we were not able to speak prior to today's hearing. We did provide him the information. I'd ask that he provide the court with some information on his financial situation. I believe he owes $600.
I have $600 owed. How are you gonna get that paid, sir?
I've been trying to make payments, but the court over the phone don't allow me to make payment. They want the whole thing at once. I'm a DoorDasher and I DoorDash on the bike, so it's hard for me to come up with exactly 600 at one time. So I've been trying to make payments, but over the phone. I don't live down Ypsilanti
I don't
anymore.
think you can make a payment over, you may not be able to make a payment over the phone.
I mean, yeah, I've been trying to do it over online on the thing, but they want the whole thing at once. On doc. I've been doing it on
Mr.
doc.
Henley, how about this? Call the public defender's office, update your contact information, and I'll get with you and see if I can assist you on making the payments.
Okay, what's the number to the public defender?
222 69.
You can you can Google it.
Google it. Okay.
Got it?
Yeah, I can
You
Google
got a
it.
pen?
No, I don't have a pen. I'm outside, so I have to run to a building and try to find a pen.
You got somebody that can write this down?
No, I'm outside. I'm outside dancing. So I don't. I'm running over to a restaurant right now to the nearest one. Grab me a pen. Sorry about that, Judge.
All right, you ready?
Yes, sir.
222
222
6970.
6970.
Yes, sir.
We want that's 616-734.
734.
Okay.
All right, 734-222-6970. Call them, make sure they have a good phone number for you and an email address if you have one, okay?
All right, thank you, Judge.
All right, I'm going to adjourn your matter to June 11, 2025, 9 a.m. Take care,
All
sir.
right. Thank you.
Court calls case, People versus Carlos Hicks.
Assistant Public Defender Natalie Pate for Mr. Hicks, who may be present in Zoom. Sir, you're there. Can you please let me state your name for the board?
Carlos Hicks. You got two cases or just one?
So one's an
It's a new felony. Yeah, I got it.
So, Your Honor, I do not have an explanation for his failure to appear. I will say our office did leave a voicemail his last known number. I will ask for the adjournment for the record, and I did handle Mr. Hicks' case prior. He always has been very communicative, always would show up to court. I would ask for the record. I was not aware of the new, but new felony case.
Bench court will issue for defendant's failure to appear. Bond will be set in the amount of $7,500. Give a 10% privilege on that. Will issue immediately.
Thank you.
Case people versus. Is on, he's got a new felony or a new case anyway. That's already in warrant status. He's not here. How much do you have? Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear. Bond will be set in the amount of $3,500. Give a 10% privilege on that. That warrant will issue. Court calls case people versus Paula Johnson.
Good afternoon, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perry on behalf of Ms. Johnson. Your Honor, do you mind if Ms. Johnson sits while we
Not a problem.
call her hearing?
How are you today, Your Honor?
I'm doing okay, Miss Johnson. How are you?
I'm here. Thank God for that. Oh,
Can you state your name, Ms. Johnson?
yes, Paula Johnson.
Your Honor, we are here for a show cause. I think Ms. Johnson owes about $218. She did,
Just didn't pay, so she can come back and see me.
That's
I know why she didn't do it. I
See,
know.
he knows,
I know.
because he just so asked me. He tried to get all of it.
What?
That's it.
You said what?
Nothing.
No.
No, I said, because he so asked me, think all the women be trying to get in to see him. That's what I said.
I did not say all.
No, I said that.
Oh, okay,
No.
okay.
You
I-
said,
I did not
said
say
those
that. Yeah, they come here to see Alan. They don't come here to see me. I'm just.
I don't get you in trouble. You know your wife will hit you.
What?
You know, I know your wife will hit you, so you better, yeah.
Okay, Miss Johnson.
See, that's how you know I'm telling the truth. Look at you just smiled knowingly.
That's nothing else.
Okay.
I'm just gonna leave that.
Right. There you go.
All right. So
I didn't know I still owed you money though. First of all,
you didn't know?
I was the God I didn't. I would
I was shocked there was only one case left.
you know that was so. How do you do?
I just said it. I just said
Okay,
I was just surprised only
touche.
one case came in.
Touche. We do go way back, don't we?
Yeah, it's been a while.
Yeah,
All right.
that's a blessing, right? I'm in school, doing really good. Yeah, I am.
You're in school?
Yes.
What are you doing this time?
Criminal justice. He say this
Oh,
time.
man.
Yeah, I know. I knew it.
You're in the criminal justice?
Yes, sir, I am. Doing quite well, by the way.
What?
I said I'm doing quite well, by the way.
Well, given how you operated, you're probably an expert.
Little bit. On certain levels. You're right.
Yeah, I'm just saying.
I know.
All right. So how are you gonna get this paid?
I don't know. I was hoping you was just gonna let me not have to pay it because since I'm in such a dire strait right now. I mean, I paid the majority of it. I thought maybe you could say, well, she did so well.
Could I speak for my mother?
There go my baby.
I just have a few.
You wanna talk, this is your mother?
That's my baby. Yes, sir.
I'm so sorry. No, I'm kidding. Come on.
I
By
have
the way.
3 daughters myself, and my mom, we are all obsessed with her. Just recently. my
What's your
mom
name,
had-
first of all?
My name is Jolita Addison.
Okay.
So just recently, my mother has had a lot going on. She had a bout of double pneumonia, and she spent about 4 days in the hospital for that. She got out and was out for about 3 days, whereas they had a car accident, her and my dad. They had a very bad car accident, which totaled their car. She had bruised her kidneys and was in the hospital for another 4 days at that point. Then at that
Let
point,
them know,
she got
no
out.
fault of mine, hold on.
It was no fault of her own, yeah, someone lost control of their vehicle on the highway.
And, yeah, and ran into,
And she got hit twice.
Yeah.
So she had spent about 4 days in the hospital. Then upon getting out from that, she was still very sick. And we had to take her back to the hospital for another 4 days. Because she just wasn't doing very good with the pneumonia. She was still struggling with that. She's still having to recover from that car accident. She's got to now try to figure out how to get another vehicle. I just asked that, kind of similar to what she's asking. She just doesn't really have the funds at the moment to try to come up with that. Even trying to do a payment would be a lot for her. She is in school, like she's doing her absolute best. She's been pulling in almost all A's and B's, and I'm so proud of her. She's been doing really good. As you see, like you said, the Stone case, she's been doing really good, and I'm very proud of her. That's all I have to say.
That's all?
That's all.
Okay, no, yeah, I was gonna let you keep going.
she believe I'm good.
Well, no, because you know that there were not a lot of people coming up speaking good things about you before.
Well,
So
that's-
you must have changed something.
Well, yeah, that's the
Yeah,
idea.
180, so she's doing really, really well.
What you stuck out at? Really?
So there.
Really? So there?
Yeah, I'm sorry. I couldn't help it. You bring out the worst in me. What do you?
What? Whoa! Whoa! What?
I don't know. Miss Teresa, what is going on here?
How did I bring out the worst in
I'm
you?
just kidding. Listen. Okay, what are we gonna do here?
I bring out the worst in you.
No, you don't.
I think they're doing a great job, honestly. I don't even need to be here.
Yeah.
I will add though, Ms. Johnson is on a fixed income. She gets a social security disability, is that right?
Yes, it is.
And she did do 92 days on this case.
Oh, I know. I know.
Yeah.
And it was not because I wanted to get, she just,
I kept on till I just had to do it, huh?
huh?
I just had to be here with you, huh?
You just would not do anything I asked you to do.
That's true.
You decided, I'd say do something this way. You decided you want to do
I'm
something
gonna go with
else.
that, but you said right. You
And
I
then
know.
finally it just came down and like,
And I had no qualms with that, and you know it.
well, at the time you did.
Well, no, I didn't actually. I did what I needed to do and came on up out of there. It wasn't your fault, so I.
Oh, I know it wasn't my
I
fault.
know, so why should I have any animosity or ill feelings against you? You just doing your job.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It was very nice of her to say. She was not like
As
this
if you could
before.
do anything.
I don't know what happened.
What
This
is
is
wrong
not-
with you? What do you
This
mean?
is not the person I remember. Miss
You know what?
Miss
That's
Polera,
that is
Miss
not-
Polera, is this the person you remember?
You know, Your Honor, I do have to say, I don't know what time, that Paula came around to me. Probably the second or third. She did really well.
Thank you, Mr.
She did get her act together per se and was compliant with me on a later case than that. And she did do probation. She checked it. She was in school then and she was doing really well when she ended there. I do have to say that.
See?
So everybody gonna stick up.
Oh, no.
It's about something.
You know what? You
It's
just
like
do
that.
not
It's
believe.
like a Paula festival.
You know, you're so wrong today.
What?
What did I do? I've been doing really well here.
I would tell
I'm
you,
not-
Judge, I would tell you she was not doing what she was supposed to do, but she did. She did really well towards.
And you know she'd tell. She would tell you. Yes, she would.
Oh, I know she would.
There you go, see?
Because we had a lot of conversations like that, didn't we?
Yeah, we did. On many occasions.
But she came around
I don't have no qualms with it. You know, you're wrong. You have to own up to it. So that way you can move forward, correct? At least that's the way I see it.
You got all A's and B's?
I've got a C. I ain't gonna lie to you, okay? I'm working on it.
What do you have a C in?
what do I have a C in? I have a C in, what is it? Right now, all I have is, I have, my math class. It's been a while, so I'm working my way up to the B, but it's different, I haven't had math in a long time, so. I'm just saying, I'm working on it though. I don't have a defeatist attitude. I am going to get my degree this time. Bam, bar none.
This person that I see now, I have no doubt in my mind that she will.
Yes, sir. I guarantee you. Lord willing, I'll come back and show it to you. I'm looking forward to that one.
I think none of that I have to hold on to.